Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to enable single click to open an icon on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To enable single click to open an icon on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. In File Explorer, click on three-dot icon to see more and then click on Options. In folder option, click on General tab and you will find click items as follows, and by default double click to open an item is selected. Just click on single click to open an item, and here you will find two options: underline icon titles consistent with my browser, or underline icon title only when I point at them. You can choose anyone. Now click on apply and then click on OK. Now close File Explorer. Now I'm going to check single click to open an item. I'm clicking on calculator, just single click, and look, the calculator has been opened. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.